Hi, we're Team 16. I'm Erica and he's David. We would love to introduce our project, Symptom Sync, which is your all-in-one health management companion. Today, we'll introduce the app, demonstrate real-time sync across devices and reminders, showcase all its features and what it has to offer, discuss challenges, and share our roadmap. Why Symptom Sync? Managing medications, appointments, and health logs can feel chaotic. Symptom Sync centralizes everything in one secure dashboard, complete with interactive charts, real-time synchronization, and an AI-powered chat box to
Okay.
help you.
All right. Here's our app, and we're gonna start with the landing page, and it shows the title and the subtitle, subheading, and then you click learn more. It's gonna take you to features, which is implemented with carousels, testimonials, how it works, and why to use our app, and some FAQs. And now we're gonna go and sign up. So I'm gonna create a new account with name test. I mean email test at example.com. Then the password is gonna be 123456 for ease of testing. Then I'm gonna click sign up, and sign up is successful. And now it takes us to the landing page. I mean the dashboard page, the home page, and I want to try to add medication. And yeah, it immediately shows up on my dashboard. And then my partner is gonna try adding another medication, and it should appear on my dashboard as well because we are on the same account. Yep, and it does appear on my dashboard with a notification that a new reminder is added from another device or tab. And I'm gonna try adding an appointment. So check out CVS, and then today, like 5 a.m. Then you're gonna try adding it. It also shows here, and the charts are also immediately updated. And my partner is gonna try adding a health log, and it should also immediately appear on my dashboard as well because we're on the same account. Yep. And it also shows with notification that a new health log is successfully added from another device or tab. And the charts also immediately updated. And this is achieved with database real-time features. And now we are going to demo the calendar page. And so as you can see, all the events, the met, and the appointment that we added on the homepage are also appearing here. All right, so next we are going to demo the feature. I think one of the core features of our app is to remind the user when the medication or appointments are due. And so here we're gonna try it out by adding a medication. And right now it's 3:52. So I'm gonna add it with due time 1 minute from right now. So it's gonna be 3:53. And a new medication is added here, being due at 3:53. And so we're going to wait if our app is going to correctly notify our user that their medication is due at that time. All right, and our app correctly shows a toast notification. Let's say time to take this medicine name at exactly 3:53. And the same also applies for appointment. If you add like an appointment, let's do 1 minute away from today for demo purposes. Let's say it's 3:54. All right, and it does correctly show this toast notification with the name check my CVS, and it's shown exactly at 3:54. And so next we are going to demo our chat interface. And so I'm going to ask you to tell me about my upcoming medications and appointment. And it should have access to all my information so far. So it says I have one appointment scheduled, and that is correct. That's the one that I just added. And here's a summary of all medications. And here's our the documents feature. And I have already uploaded a couple of documents for testing. And so I'm going to go through the flow again. Let's say I'm adding a new document that's pretty much unrelated to medicine, but just for demo purposes only. So I'm going to add a couple of tags to it and show on the list of documents with the tags included. And if I try to view it, it does correctly show the entire document. Additionally, if I try to change the name of it to algorithms document is a new name, and it does correctly updates. If I export it, I'm gonna be able to download it. Or if I export all documents, it's gonna trigger a multiple download of all documents here. And one of the features that are pretty much key, except for the search document feature, is this export health report feature. This is where users will be able to select which PDF or image documents that they would like to export, and our app will automatically compile a health report for them, assuming that the documents are about health, of course. So for now, I'm gonna select the first 4 documents, and we wanna see what it downloads for us. Okay, so here is the list of here are all documents that the user selected. And as you can see, it compiles all documents together and added a health report page, a title page at the beginning. And next is our medication schedules page. It lists all your medications and their dosage and reminders. So to help you take your medicines on time. And this is going to be our profile page. So you can also search for other users' profile on this page. Like this is another account we use to test. You can also edit the profile. You can choose an avatar you would like to, and you click Save Changes, and the avatar is immediately updated here. And yeah, aside from that, we also have a couple of small features like stock mode, and we also work hard to make sure that everything looks good, even in dark mode. All right, and now we will run our lighthouse test on our computer. So let's start with the home page, the landing page. And it opens up the window that's in another of my screen. And if you go to Lighthouse tab and then, all right, and everything passes. We have 94 for accessibility and 100 for SEO. And let's do the same thing for, yeah, and um, the Lighthouse also passes for this page as well. Accessibility with 94 and 100 for SEO. And we can do the same for calendar page. And on calendar page, it also passes with 96 for accessibility and 100 for SEO. And for the chat page, and it also passes with 96 for accessibility and 100 for SEO. And next is documents page. And documents page also pass with 90 for accessibility and 100 for SEO. And next is our medications page. And this page also passed. Apologies for performance, but accessibility and SEO both passed with more than 95. And next is profile page. And it also passed. And let me try to log out and then also run another Lighthouse test on the Create Account page. And it also passed with perfect score. All right, so to the development challenges, we face quite a lot of them. So the first challenge is to maintain the real-time consistency. And so by that, we mean handling race conditions with simultaneous updates across tabs was definitely a challenge. And also cron-driven reminders. And so this involved configuring BG cron and Postgres functions and triggers to scan every second for due reminders. And this was one of the most challenging features for us to implement correctly. And also perfecting our UI, especially our calendar page, and ensuring a mobile-first design with Tailwind and Chassis and UI was certainly a challenge. And also, as for our AI chatbot feature, we also face AI rate limits. And so we overcame that by batching requests to Google AI to maintain a smoother chatbot experience under even high traffic or heavy use.
Um, Next on our wish list, if we had more time for some feature enhancements, we'd like to have two-way sync with external calendars like Google or Outlook through authentication instead of relying on users uploading and exporting files. We'd also like to include push notifications through web push or FCM so users can get reminders even when the browser is closed.
And also, we would like to implement more advanced search and tag filtering in the health logs, medications, and appointments. We also love to incorporate machine learning insights to recommend lifestyle changes or analyze users' health based on their uploaded docs and added medications and appointments, even health logs. And so the user don't even have to ask our chatbot for that. And for our next feature we would like to implement is permission care team access for a more collaborative management experience between all the doctor, physicians, and patients. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and feel free to scan this QR code to give our app a try.